Lordship,
Yes.
I would like to mention item number 22, Your Lordship. Yes. Kindly take up this matter on 4th of December, Your Lordship.
22.
Yes, Your
In
Lordship.
the meantime, I will file rejoinder, my lord.
On the prayer of learned counsels for the parties, list this matter on
4th
4th of December
December.
04/12/2023.
And
In the meantime, Mr. Titi Tara, learned counsel for the petitioner, may file affidavit in reply.
grateful.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please? I'd
Yeah.
like to mention item number 11.
11.
Here, the government has already filed the affidavit, so we need some time to file our rejoinder. Item number 11.
There is an interim order?
No, no,
Ah,
interim.
No interim?
No.
You are challenging the NIT
Yes,
of for smart city?
yes.
Government?
Yes, we have filed. We have said that
There is no interim.
no interim.
Mr. Siring Gyatso, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be granted some time to file affidavit in reply.
Yes,
Please. MSG at learned edition, senior government advocate present. You are for
Respondent number 3.
Mr. So and so
You know,
for,
we,
for respond, Mr. Khera,
yes, your name is Dev. Yes, Dev.
S. Dev,
Yes.
for respondent number, learned counsel for respondent number 3. Okay.
You know, 8th of December.
8th of
8th
December.
of December.
8th of December.
They list this matter
Kindly after 3 weeks also. 8th of
8th
December.
of December. You
Any,
are for us.
any other date kindly. 8th of December.
after 3 weeks, so as to enable the learned counsel for the petitioner to file.
You are not,
Yeah,
a fixed
affidavit
date may
in
be given.
reply.
The outstation. A fixed date may be given you on.
You choose the date,
See here. Then it be 19th of December
19th,
or
Yes.
is 2 part?
on 19th December.
3 weeks.
Huh?
is enough.
Obliged.
Obliged.
May I please, my lord? May I please, my lord?
Yes,
I'd like to mention item number 24 and 25, my lord,
24,
and 25.
huh?
24 and 25.
I cannot take up this.
No, matter become infractions. Therefore,
Oh,
allow me to
okay.
withdraw the same
Mr. So and so,
on behalf of KLON, my lord.
oh, then in that case, we'll say Mr. Kelo, learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that the writ petition 187/160 and writ petition 177, both 24 and 25
24 and 25, yes.
have become infractions. Mr. In view of the above. Please stop. Accordingly, these writ petitions are disposed of, it stands closed. Writ petition stands closed, huh? Or else you may have the separate order there. So and so, huh?
On
In
behalf,
that case,
on behalf of.
I'll just
KLON.
record K. Lawrence name.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, much obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 and 20, Lordship.
9,
And 20, Lordship.
9 for what?
9 and 20. 20.
9, you are for?
For respondent, Lordship.
Ah,
Lordship, matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Lordship. Here we have to file affidavit in opposition, and we are waiting instruction from the department, Lordship.
consent from other side. Do you have consent
Lordship.
from other side?
Lordship.
Mr. So and so learned counsel for the learned counsel.
This matter, my lord, this matter became the close, my lord, it become infractions, my lord.
Which one?
9, my lord. I am the for the petitioner.
You are for respond, petitioner.
My lord. I am for the
It
petitioner.
become instruction. Mr. L permit learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that the writ petition has become infructuous. Please stop. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on being infructuous.
My,
Mr. So-and-so present. Huh?
My lord, my lord, in item
No,
twenty,
just wait. Item 20, then next
Lordship.
Lordship.
Lordship,
Item
item 20, Lordship.
20.
20.
Okay.
Lordship. Lordship, here also we have to file affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
Any objection?
no, my
Okay.
lord, but in item 20, there was an interim that may be continue, my lord.
What type of interim?
Lordship, stay.
What is the matter?
Lordship, transfer.
Transfer?
Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the Education Department.
Department, on behalf of Tijama, Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing on behalf of T. Jamo, learned standing counsel for the Education Department. Press for and granted 3 weeks time to 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file control academic. Mr. So-and-so. Your name?
NUB, I am appearing on behalf of C Modi.
N. Modi. N. Modi.
NUB, I am appearing on behalf of C Modi.
Your name?
NUB,
NUB, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. C. Modi, learned counsel for petitioner present.
my lord, and interim,
Interim order was earlier said continue.
Heavily obliged.
May I, Your Honor? Your Honor, I beg to mention item number 19.
19.
Yeah.
Your
Honor, my senior counsel is out of the session on a medical ground.
On the prayer, Mr.
Here, madam,
Spencer.
19, there's a stay, madam, it's transfer order, transfer, madam. So, my next week, madam, because they have to file a rejoinder. We have already filed our affidavit, madam.
Next week.
Yes, madam.
Next week.
Your Honor, it may be listed after 2 weeks.
There's a stay, madam. Transfer.
Uh,
They have to file rejoinder anyway, madam. Next week.
2 weeks. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that. The leading counsel, Mr. T. Taba, learned counsel for the petition. The learned counsel has some personal difficulty. Therefore, press for 2 weeks time to. Press for 2 weeks time. MS T. Wong, learned counsel for the state. That's it, learned state counsel. Present. List this matter after 2 weeks. Praise the Lord and list this matter after 2 weeks. In the meantime, the learned counsel for the petitioner may file their affidavit in reply.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 to 29 supplementary hearing. Your Lordship, this matter may be listed after 2 weeks. Here, Your Lordship, we need to file our counter affidavit, Your Lordship.
you have not filed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is there?
It's a
There's nothing.
competition matter, Your Lordship.
This court is in your favor. And you want adjournment. What is this? What happened?
Government not yet filed the affidavit, Lordship.
But what is your prayer in this writ petition?
No objection.
What is the prayer in the writ petition?
Lordship, this matter is about
Excess payment.
yes, Lordship.
By way of illegal assessment. It's of 2019. What happened? What is the present status?
Yes, Your Lordship, our AGR is now much appearing. So,
Where is?
He's out of station due to some problem, Your Lordship.
MSP Council for the Islamic State Council appearing on behalf of Mr. R.H. Nabam, Learned Edition AG, submits that she may be granted, sorry, not, submits that state may be granted 3 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. Mr.
T Dodong, sir.
Huh?
T Dodong. On behalf of Mr. K Tama.
Mr. So and so appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Tama, present. Next time you come, you don't appear before the court without going through the brief,
Yes, Lord.
even it's for adjournment.
Yes, Lord, sir.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Please up to 3 years.
Your Lordship, I have one mention. It's regarding a matter which is not listed today, Your Honor. Actually, it's WPC 480. It was supposed to be listed on the 3rd week of this month, but it has not come up. So we being out station, we are asking
Third
for a
week?
specific date.
Still 3rd week has not completed. We have 28, 29, 30. Or it's a 4th week.
No, 3rd week. It was on 11th of October last.
Hmm.
So it was supposed to be fixed on 3rd week of this month.
3rd week, it's a one week. Which date?
So we are asking for a specific date if it may be given.
What is the matter?
It's regarding compensation, Your Lordship.
What compensation?
From this Holongi substation where it was made. We are for the power grid
You
response.
don't like the air connectivity to be functional?
Yes, yes.
You don't want?
No, we want.
Then,
I'm for the respondent, Your Lordship.
okay.
8th of December, if maybe. I look at.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Also, I'd like to mention item number 13 to 16, Lordship.
13 to 16.
Lordship. And this,
Yes, stay.
Lordship. Lordship, the problem is I have received the affidavit today itself from the Lordship. So I needed time to go
Who's
through it.
appearing for the respondent?
I've taken the consent from all the respondents, Lordship.
What is there?
Wednesday, Lordship.
What is there?
Lordship, this matter is regarding, Lordship, the supply and procurement tender process, Lordship. In the tender process,
It
Lordship.
has been open. It's
Yes.
completed.
Not, Lordship.
Controversial, sir. It has been rejected, actually.
Technical bid has been opened, Lordship. Technical bid has been opened
And
and
the
the
technical bid, it has been rejected.
There is a stay in the further process of the tender.
Yes.
You are not interested.
I am respondent 1 to 3.
Huh?
They are the DRDA and the tender.
Who is the concerned authority? You.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
So you are not interested to
No.
pursue this matter.
Yes, they are taking time, sir. Because
Lordship,
So you are readily agreed.
May I, Lordship?
Huh? You have readily agreed.
yes, just now they have received their copy. Yes.
I have received the
Next
copy.
week, next week,
Lordship, on the
next week,
Wednesday, Lordship.
next week.
Next week, Wednesday.
Okay. Next week, huh? Mr. T. Garam, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioners. You, all this, huh? 13 to 16.
Lordship.
Submits that he has received the copy, received the counter affidavit this morning, for which he prays for 1 week's time to file affidavit in reply.
Lordship.
Is there anything
Lordship is
you
there.
need to reply?
No, Lordship, if so, advise, Lordship. I'll go through with the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent, Lordship.
How many, it consists of how many pages?
47 pages, Lordship.
Huh?
47 pages.
Only.
Lordship.
What is the number of pages in your writ petition?
It is, Lordship, 58, Lordship.
58.
Lordship.
Okay. List after next week.
Next week, Lordship, on Wednesday, Lordship. 28.
Not 28. 29.
Right, Lordship.
We'll dispose it off
Lordship.
on 29.
Lordship, there is an interim order, Lordship, that may be continued.
That is the difficulty. Interim order was earlier shall continue till next date.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
May I please? My lord,
Yes.
yes, my lord. May I please? My lord, in this case, the petitioner before my lord is a public sector undertaking who obtained a contract, my lord, the contract of national importance from BSNL. My lord, that contract I have attached as Annexure B. That contract, my lord, was given back to back 100% to a subcontractor on a back-to-back basis. That contract is available at Annexure C. Now, my lord, there is no dispute that the subcontractor who has actually executed the work, he has paid full tax. Now, my lord knows that the Supreme Court has said that works contract is executed only once, it cannot be executed twice. And my lord, therefore, what happens, the methodology that has been formulated under GST, my lord knows, is called input tax credit. My lord, the tax that has been paid by my subcontractor, that appears in my books as a prepaid tax. And my lord, as per section 35 of the CGST Act, my lord, the GST law, my lord, that I have to put in my books. Now, my lord, there were certain glitches, etc. My lord knows very well. Several of petitions traveled in various courts and ultimately went even up till the Supreme Court. There were certain glitches on the portal. My lord knows everything in the GST law, my lords, has to be done on the portal, which my lord knows is called the GST network. Now, my lord, they were unable to provide for the return forms on the GST portal. And my lord, because of all those problems, we were delayed in filing the returns. So the only procedural, my lord's, difficulty on our end was that we delayed in filing returns. But my lord, they had themselves issuing notification after notification saying, we will extend the dates. Those notifications I have placed, my lord, I'll show those. So, my lord, today the question is the tax that already stands paid by my subcontractor fully. That is, my lord, that is lying in my books. There is no dispute. The authority says
the delay in filing the returns is the
only delay is in filing.
reason for denying.
Yes, my lord, that is the only reason.
ITC.
Yes, my lord. That is
As per the provision.
grateful, my lord.
No, is it the?
Though there is no provision, according to them, they are reading a provision like that, my lords. According to us, there is no provision for denial of credit.
Let us see the impugned order.
Yes, my lords. Grateful. My lords would find the impugned order, my lords, at Annexure EE. My lords may kindly have page 446, 45. 445, my lords. My lords, the reasoning on this denial, my lords, is at para 3.9.
Yes, wait.
445.
Yes.
Yes, my lords. My lord, it starts at 445. Initially, they mention facts and our arguments, etc. My lord, the reasoning starts at 458, which is titled as Discussion and Findings, para 3.
Yes.
My lord, the precise issue, my lords, after some discussion is mentioned at para 3.9, page 461.
Yes.
I first read the relevant para, thereafter my lords would say, I'll read the entire, my lords. I do not agree with the contention of the notice that since the input tax credit was taken in the private books of accounts, so they were eligible to claim that amount. Section 16(1) of the CGST Act states that every registered person shall, subject to such conditions and restrictions as may be prescribed and in the manner specified in Section 49, be entitled to take credit of input tax charged on any supply of goods or services or both to him, which are used or intended to be used in the course or furtherance of his business, and the said amount shall be credited to the electronic credit ledger. Further, Section 49(2) says so and so. On going through the above sections and subsection of CGST, I find that the only way to claim credit provided in CGST Act is to claim in the return within the stipulated period. Thus, I do not agree with the contention of the notice that once input tax credit is entered in the books of account, they become eligible to be claimed in according to his own will. I therefore have my considered opinion that the noticee has not filed their GSTR 3B return for the month of December and March within due date and hence not eligible to avail and claim input tax rate for the period in terms of section 16(4) of the so and so act. So, my lords have seen, my lords, that there is no dispute that I had taken credit in my records. I am a public sector undertaking, my lords, audited financial statements by auditors. He says, since I have delayed in filing return, therefore I will not get the credit, effectively meaning, my lords, my subcontractor would also pay the tax and I would pay that tax again, twice over. Now, my lords, the Supreme...
That's it.
My lords, we have served notice, my lords. My friend, my lords, here informs me.
Will issue notice?
My lords, I am praying for interim also. Otherwise, my lords, I will have to pay tax twice over. This is a PSU, my lords. And my lords, no one is running away.
Other side is not there. Can you take up next week?
Next week, my lords. My lords, may keep it on 11th, my lords. If convenient to my lords. My lords.
It's a Union of India.
My lords, Union of India and the state both are there. My lord knows the CGST, SGST, but the assessing authority is center only.
The state is not a party.
State is also a party.
Why nobody is referring?
My lord, the parties, my lord, would see at page number, my lord, 3. Yes. No, my lords. You state, I'm sorry, my lords. This order is passed by union, so my lords, it's a central authority, so we have made central authority the party. My lords.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
I'm Puneet Agarwal. My
Puneet
lords.
Agarwal. Then consult for the petitioner. By filing this petition, the petitioner has just agreed by the proceedings which has been culminated in order dated 23/8/2023. The petitioner has filed this application by which order the respondent have, amongst other, denied the benefit of ITC due to delay in filing of returns. Mr. Puneet Agarwal, P. Agarwal, then consult of the petitioners, submits that the interim order and the interim proceedings and the orders have been conducted and passed in blatant violation of the statutory provisions issue notice returnable within 3 weeks.
My lords, may specifically, if considered appropriate, issue notice on my interim prayer to be considered on the next date.
Will you stay today?
My lord knows that they are tax authorities. My lord, I am a public sector undertaking. My lord, I have taxes paid. There is no dispute
I'm
on
saying,
that.
will you stay there? Will pass the interim order to
Yes, my lord. In the meanwhile, my lord,
issue notice
would like to maintain
returnable
status
3
quo. My
weeks.
lord.
It is submitted by Mr. P. Agarwal, learned counsel for the parties, learned counsel petitioner, that he has already served a copy of the writ petition
Yes, my lord.
to the counsel appearing for the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Robert, no appeals to the respondents. I've considered the I've heard the learned counsel for the petitioner on interim. Having considered these conditions and the materials taken to this code. But the learned council petition. And what review the interim order is called for, Mr. Accordingly. Till returnable date. The interim order dated
Yes, my lord. 23/8/23, my lord.
2023.
My lord, there are two orders, my lord. The years are different, the same date. 23/8/2023. Same date, same annexure. 23rd August 2023, my lords. There are two orders.
Annexure?
Yes, my lord. Annexure double E,
Interim order dated 23/8/2023.
my lords.
And
Both are same date, my lords.
okay. Both the interim orders dated 23/8/2023. Annexure double E, huh? You check it. Still remains suspended.
I'm
Released
grateful.
after 3 weeks.
Grateful. I'm grateful. Lord, the fixing a date.
If you just skip the date after 3 weeks,
Yes, sir.
you just skip the date.
I'm grateful.
Same matter.
But I'm for the caveator, but caveator has not been made party.
What to do?
Let him withdraw and file fresh, making us party.
One of the allegations is that I could not view the reports. So how could I now?
He'll not be affected. According to you, he'll not be affected. If any order is passed by this court.
If we are successful in the bidder, they will be affected. Since they finally give it to them.
You implead him?
Yes.
You implead him?
I think but two, my lord.
No, let us see first one. What is your same out of same tender?
Yes, out of some gentlemen.
Same package.
Different package, ma'am.
Same package.
Different package.
Different package in the same locality, 0.
When are the other matters are fixed?
This is the first
Other
one.
matters are fixed when?
After 3 weeks, my lord. And that package is the same package, ma'am.
This one?
The item number, my lord, 4, ma'am.
4.
Item number 4 and pending WPC is against the same package, ma'am.
After 3 weeks.
My lord, you can see the order. 557, madam. Item number 4, madam. Item number 4. Package, madam.
Yeah. Item number 7.
No, item number 4, madam.
Item number 4. Same package.
Same package.
In writ petition 545.
Yes. Petition, madam.
A
Yes.
different bidder.
Different bidder, madam.
Okay.
And we are complimenting these. Yeah, I don't know.
Same method
Same
of
method.
rejecting.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is appearing for the state?
State, Mr. Tarak is at hometown due to some personal difficulty.
Heard Mr. Ketari, learned concept of the petitioner. Caveat discharge, no?
Caveat maybe this just. In item 4,
But
it's wrongly received. 2 and 3, my lord. Well, appropriately, can it be listed on Monday again so that he can implead us and then otherwise caveat how I don't know how to discharge the caveat
Unless I get the report. Well,
because the final tender is open.
name
My
of
lord.
the Cavetors, I don't know. It's not. Name of the cavetors. But if I receive if I able to view in the e-program portal, then
Mr. Majumdar, can I take your assistance? Here is a case, the parties have filed a caveat. They have not been implemented. What should be the procedure?
If some decision has been taken and is challenging that, and by any order passed by the lordship, if the other side is going to be affected, then
But he is not a party to the procedure, I mean, writ petition.
no. If the order that is paid with the lordship is going to affect any of the parties, he should be made a party. From that point of view, first responsibility is to make him a party.
Then only I can hear him. Just because he has filed a caveat, without implementing him.
Normally, he cannot be hard at this.
So since he has already filed, you implement them and we'll take up on Monday.
Yes.
In any case, today, if I issue a notice also, I'm not going to. I mean, there is no question of interim. Is it? Similar matter, there was an interim? No.
Well,
Is there any interim order in the earlier case?
no, my lord.
Then in that case, we'll take up on Monday.
Yes.
All right.
He has to comply
You
with order one.
implement him.
Then, my lord, the extent will be correct.
No.
Otherwise, my lord, how I would know his name, preparator.
Yes, is it? You give the copy of your caveat to
We
him.
have given.
No, we have not received the caveat from my lord.
You must have posted.
Through post.
Through
I'll
post only you might have given, but then he said he has not received it.
I'll furnish today, so no problem.
He's correct. He's not supposed to know who are you or where. I mean, how you are. Okay.
Registry informs them once there is a caveat application.
Otherwise, they should come by way of I.
No. That's we have filed caveat prior to your institution.
He
of the-
said he's apprehending that any order may affect him. So Monday we'll take up.
Monday.
Ah.
We'll file, we'll give you the copy after a while.
We'll implement, you file it IA, implement him. We'll pass I'll take up the IA first and then we'll
Correct.
hear,
that is-
hear
that's
both of you.
Order,
All right. What do you say?
No problem.
otherwise it is hitting this
It's just
order
because
one.
of the technical thing, no?
Rule 8, 9 and 10.
Because I'm of the view that
Joinder
without
and disjoinder of the
he
party.
being a party, just mere filing of petition, I mean caveat, he has it. We'll have to, once he filed a caveat, we'll have to hear him. But at the same time, since he's not a party to the proceedings,
I have furnished.
Monday, my lord. Because tomorrow is Saturday, my lord.
Okay, Monday is holiday, my lord.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, that in that case, 29, 20, 29,
29, yes.
29.
29.
Monday is holiday.
Monday is
28, it's opening and 29. We'll take up on.
all item, my lord.
To other than item number 3. Financial bill is yet to be opened. Financial bill in item number 3 is yet to be opened.
PK.
It's opening today.
Because it's 25.
25.
Tomorrow.
It's a similar thing. If you are asking for this thing, because you have placed this fairly, but there no interim. At the best, we'll issue notice. Item 3. That is what we are fixing it on Tuesday or
2 and 3, my lord, on 29.
In respect of 4.
4, we have not filed the caveat. That's wrongly served.
So then, in 4, then since nobody is there, similar order can be passed now.
Notice only.
Similar order can be passed now in the 4. Because
Well,
again, my lord, again, Mr. Tarak is not there.
Same package, huh?
3 weeks.
Same order in this thing. But you should not say. 545, huh? But since G Tarak is not appearing, item number 4, right?
Yeah.
Have you served a copy of writ petition to the standing council, Mr. G. Tarak?
Yesterday, on SBR, somebody has seen that.
Okay.
He is away in Palin.
Then in that case, you just say. Steps for all the respondents, huh? Steps be taken for all the respondents.
Right.
4. 3, 2 and 3. Heard Mr. K.
Tuesday.
Consent to the publish this matter on 29/11/2023. 2 and 3, huh? 4, the same order as writ petition 4, except you omit and delete the name of G. Tarak. Steps for all the response, right? Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes.
This case, the petitioners are the elected member of the Panchayat, starting Panchayat. Falls under Mengyo city block, 32 Jila Panchayat.
Yes.
And the Mengyo sector.
Yes.
And they are getting one scheme financed by NHC. And within that, 41 numbers of work were supposed to be executed by the local development officer, Mengyo, who is the member secretary of the concerned government. The local development officer, Mengyo, without prior consent or prior consultation with the entire Panchayat, 13 Panchayat, Gram Chairperson, they intend to execute the work, 41 numbers of work. It is far away from the home settlement. 30 kilometers, 70 kilometers away from the present existing home settlement. That's why the entire Gram Chairperson made a complaint against the NIT invited by the block development officer, Mengyo. After made complaint, the NIT was not recalled. Then the petitioners again filed the representation before the Deputy Commissioner in India. Accordingly, there was a series of coordination meeting was held, but no fruitful result was gained. Thereafter, the petitioner filed a complaint before the sanctioning authority at Shillong. They are only the one that can come from the sanctioning authority, and then only one that the NIT was postponed. Notice I will tell you the full number 17 with the sanction order. Annexure 1.
Let us come to the what is the NIT?
NIT.
Impute NIT. Page 48.
The NIT recently NIT page number 48. Recently another NIT. That's four NIT.
Fresh NIT.
Fresh.
Why is it the requirement of the law that before publishing NIT, the Panchayat has to be consulted?
Yes, sir. There is a
Where it is?
guideline, NAC scheme guideline.
Show me. NIT cannot be published without the.
Exactly, the NIT cannot be published without consultation, but there is a scheme, NAC scheme, general guideline is there. Everything.
Is it in violation of the guideline? You just point out. It's a motion we'll consider. It's not been annexed. Has it not been annexed? Is it annexed?
300-400 pages guideline.
Doesn't matter.
That's why I
The relevant papers has to be.
relevant portion I take out from the internet. Everything they are.
Did you crave for production of that guideline in the writ petition?
No, guideline is available in the internet. Guideline is available. In
Do you want that this court should go and check out in the internet to find out the provision?
That's why I bring that out if necessary.
No, did you crave for production of that guideline? Though you could not annex it. Have you or have you not? Are you getting me? Since you have not annexed that guidelines in the writ petition, in your writ petition, did you crave for production of that copy before this court at the time of hearing?
Yes, Lordship, if required. So
have you made a statement in the writ petition?
I have mentioned the particular guideline in my writ petition, but not annexed the entire guideline.
So you have not annexed the entire guideline.
Yes.
Did you pray for production of the guideline at the time of hearing?
Not specifically prayed.
Okay. Anyway, what does it say? I don't think for issuance of NIT, the panchayat should be consulted. That cannot be a requirement of the law.
Yes.
Or the
Lordship,
guideline. If that is yes, you don't have the case.
only transparency should be there. As per guideline. So whatever the beneficiary.
What's the problem if NIT is issued?
Yes. Lordship, in fact,
Every eligible person will apply.
Lordship,
Will
in fact,
bid for the work.
no. Lordship, in fact, the
You want that there should not be NIT.
NIT must be there, but their utility must be public utility. The intended work to be implemented in public utility. Therefore, the Gram Sabha opinion.
How do you know that it is the NIT has been published not for utility?
Yes, they are as per their DPR, as per DPR prepared without consultation.
What is the nature of the work?
Nature of the work, suspension bridge, link road, and community, yes.
Then
that is subject matter of the Gram Panchayat.
NIT is required. NIT has been issued. The competent bidders, the best of the best will be chosen from them, and they'll entrusted their work. It is for public. It's a bridge, roads, and everything.
My lord, this is specifically the scheme proposed scheme is of
That's
the.
why I'm asking. Its proposal given by somebody is something different.
Yes.
Who is the executing authority?
According
to it's the panchayat.
Yes, that block development officer.
He has to.
Yes.
Who has issued the NIT?
Himself.
Then implementing agency is the authority is the block development officer.
Yes.
You just show me any one line that the NIT cannot be issued for these works without the consultation of the panchayat leaders.
That rules is not specifically there.
Nothing.
Lordship, in fact, this 41 items of work is distributed in 13 panchayat.
Yes.
And then that work is intended to be executed in the village level. So, as per Arunachal Pradesh district-based entrepreneurship, then if it distributed equally as per their panchayat requirement, then the locality of that particular person can entertain and get the benefit or enjoy the as per tender basis.
So
here,
whatever
here only 3-4 package, 4 crore 49 lakhs amount, but it was only package 4 package here. Class 2 are eligible, 3 are eligible, 4 are eligible. So my humble prayer before this court, why if the authority is distributing or categorically mention the class 3 to 4, the community based that the block level entrepreneurs are not entitled. So if it is a law that outside that of
your submission is in consonance with the Entrepreneurship Act or is it contrary?
Yes, my lord, here they intentionally depriving the locality of that particular area.
How?
Because-
Is it not in consonance with the Entrepreneurship Act?
Yeah, entrepreneurship, the categorically amount ceiling is there. If the authority only
Is
invited.
is it in consonance with the Entrepreneurship Act or it is contrary?
Guideline is for entrepreneurship act. But here categorically the amount selling amount is very high. So
This
that,
is something this court cannot look into, sir.
so that's why we regarding in this regard we have submitted many representation and representation is pending before the higher
At
authority. That
simply,
is,
at best, will issue a notice today or will dismiss the writ petition. Nothing.
in this state notice may be issued. So
Let the development works go on. There may be something not liking. You may like to have the works executed by you, but then the process, unless you can show that NIT is illegal, then it is, I mean,
My
it's
lord,
very difficult to interpret.
executing agency block development officer.
Yes.
So he is the office secretary of the local self-government. So whatever work intended
He's not a
within the
competent
panchayat,
authority to
though he is
call for
competent,
NIT.
though he is a competent authority, but the scheme intended to be executed within the panchayat level. So panchayat mandate is elected leader. So Gram Sabha must be there. Then only as per necessity, the executing agency must execute the work. It will come under public utility. Otherwise, the proposed scheme is so far from the human settlement is not value because scheme is a public fund. So if public fund is utilized, it must be used for the public utility.
Will it not be beneficial for the public at large if the roads and bridges are constructed?
In fact, this proposed road and bridge is not within that panchayat area.
It is
Far
somewhere-
distance,
it's
jungle,
somewhere else.
no human existence. That is the problem. That's why
It's okay.
the public leader, the panchayat leader must be take prior consultation while preparing PPR.
Population is growing. We have to expand. It's good. It's futuristic.
No population is sufficient and no such village is there existed. So in this stage, file a notice.
At
notice
best,
may be
notice. It doesn't deserve notice also, but then had Mr.
Tito.
Learned counsel to the petition. Also had Mr.
I appear for respondent number three, my lord. In fact, in the course title, one, it says that state of Arunachal Pradesh represented through the director rural development. Whether the director rural development can represent the state, my lord.
This is wrong. It should be secretary, not below the rank of secretary.
Yes, my lord. The course title
Not below
also,
the rank of secretary can represent the state.
course title also has to be corrected. my lord. In fact, petitioners are Gram Panchayat chairpersons and they are against the developmental work. And this scheme is will be lapse if the tenders are not floated.
It's okay. We'll just issue notice.
Yes, ma'am.
I have indicated. But Mr. No. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. N. Ratan, Learned Additional Advocate General, enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 3.
Three only.
3.
Rest, Mr. Pitcher.
And Mr. Pitcher, B. Pitcher, for respondent number 1, 2, 1, 2. 4.
And
1, 2, and 4. The counsel for the petitioners shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 so and so, huh? Within 2 days. I'll not even record the facts of the matter. Think over it. Listen, 4 weeks. All right.
I think close it.
Yes.
We have filed our NOC on behalf of our petitioner to bring on record as complaint to the last order.
What should be done today? What is NOC? Huh?
Sorry, sir.
What is NOC? What
Sir,
NOC?
Sir, NOC is about the NOC is about the objection terms and condition which has been laid towards Apex University. NOC is regarding on the
Where is NOC?
Sir, it's on page number 13, sir.
Huh?
Page number 13.
30?
13, sir.
37.
13, 1 3. Like we are filing our additional affidavit today only, sir. We are filing our additional affidavit.
You are
today.
filing?
Yes, sir.
When you are filing?
Today only.
Okay. Mr. Petitioner.
Yes, sir.
Mr. So-and-so learned council petitioner submits that. He wished to file an additional affidavit today. Mr. So-and-so.
On behalf of Titagam,
For respondent number?
number 225.
225. Wairam for respondent number? 1. First write Wairam, huh?
Sir, if I may kindly change the name of the main council. It's Jyoti Jongluju.
Huh?
I want to change the name of the main council, sir.
You are also here in this matter.
Sir, actually, like this petition has been filed by L. Das, so we want to change the name of the main council.
Have you filed the Wakalatnama?
Sir, it's not me, it's my main council.
Huh?
She has already filed her Wakalatnama, so like we want to change the name of the main council, sir.
Who is the main council?
Jyoti Jongluju.
Why you should record her when she is not before this court? We'll just say, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. MS
Petitioner.
So-and-so, submits that he may be granted 3 weeks' time to file additional affidavit. That record, mark their presence.
Your Lordship, like we are filing our affidavit today, and then just like I just want to, since like this petition has been filed by L. Das, so like we want to change the council standing council name to Jyoti Jongluju.
I don't understand. It's okay.
It's all right.
Lordship, since the pleading is complete here, Lordship, I pray that this matter may be fixed for admission hearing.
It's an admission hearing only.
It's in admission, but then since
None appears.
because they have the
Petitioner on call. Mr. MS GFL, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, submits text. She has already filed the affidavit in opposition. Mr. List this matter after 4 weeks. Urgency is there.
in the second week of the they have the interim.
After 2 weeks.
Yes. So
Well, madam, we need some more time, madam, to file affidavit.
Huh?
We need some more time to file affidavit, madam.
What is the matter?
This is regarding my rectification of the cost of cardamom, madam. This is
Can I take up
compensation
this
matter,
matter?
madam.
Can I take up this matter? Huh? This before any other appropriate bench would have said. I think there was a consultation without me. Much of it.
May it please the court.
Yes,
Lordship, this is the tender matter.
yes,
Here in this matter, the NIT was floated in 7/7/2022 in
yes.
two packages, package A and package B. Package A amounting to rupees 20.79 crores and package B amounting to 21.285 crores.
Hmm.
Initially, the petitioner had no idea about this, but if it was after the RTI that the petitioner came to know that the package B consisted of 8 works, in which in seven works, the petitioner is eligible to participate. If I may take your lordship to page number 48 of my petition, your lordship.
48.
48, that is annexure number 7.
Yes,
Yes, your lordship may see the package, NIT package B. As many as 8 works are there, and out of 8, in 7 works, I'm eligible to participate. I'm a registered class 3 contractor. My tendering limit is up to 3 crore. So the issue is that exclusion of the eligible contractor from the work in which he was eligible. So this is the issue.
you want that it should have been splitted.
Yes. The grievance of the petitioner is that we want the tender to be splitted or segregated.
Where is the law?
Lordship.
What is the provision? That it should
No.
be splitted.
No, I'm not into that point, Lordship. But my contention is different.
What is your contention?
My contention is that the exclusion of petitioner from participating in this tender is violation of the fundamental right of the petitioner.
Because package is of 21.50 crore.
Yes, that is the total amount, but
That's what I'm saying. Where's the provision? Unless you can show that there's a provision that or the requirements that these package has to be splitted.
yes.
Every package has to have a different tender.
Yes.
You show that will
Yes.
allow your repetition.
Yes, I'll come to that point, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
You come directly to that. You show me that.
No, the
I've
issue.
understood.
Yeah, yes.
According to you, these two packages
Yes,
put to tender, I mean, should by the authority should have been splitted.
Should have been
Because
split.
it consists of different package. I mean,
Yes.
different item
Yes,
consisting of 3 crore each. Had
yes.
it been tender for separately?
Yes,
of these
separately,
items,
yes. You want it to be separated
have
or
to-
segregated, yes.
Eligible.
Yes,
That is your case.
yes.
So you show us where this has to be.
Lordship, whereas I'm
Splitted.
eligible to participate in the 7 works, only in serial number 2, that is 3.5 crore, that is out of my limit. My tendering limit is up to 3 crore and I'm eligible to participate. But the main issue is that the exclusion of the petitioner from participating in this said tender is a violation of fundamental right of the petitioner.
Forget it.
Yes.
We'll come to the fundamental
Yes.
right. You just show me the provision.
Uh,
That these items should have been splitted and it should have been put to, the tender should have been issued separately for each item of 3 crores.
No, as such, there is no provision, Your Lordship.
Then
That is for the respondent to show that they have the right to call the tender in the composite manner.
it's up to them.
Yes, Lordship.
First, you have to establish your right, saying that it should have been splitted in terms of this.
And also there is enforced legislation which district-based entrepreneur, which specifically provides the objective of the act itself is providing preference to
Suppose a road has to be constructed.
Lordship.
It includes the bridge,
Lordship.
is not it?
Yes.
So the component of bridge may be around 1 crore.
Yes.
And the entire amount is, say, 5 crores.
5 crores.
So can you ask the department to issue a tender separate for the bridge so that you can be eligible, you can participate?
Yes.
If there's anything, as per the manual or whatever, forget about the rules and law, I mean act. Show us anything. We'll allow you the writ petition right now.
Lordship, the calling of the tender into a composite manner itself is arbitrary on the part of the state respondent, Your Lordship.
Under what provision?
No, there is no
What is
such
the
provision, Your
requirements?
Lordship. There is no such provision. It is violating the
Are
infringing the
you
fundamental.
alleging any malafide?
Yes, arbitrariness is clearly there on the
Forget
part of the
arbitrariness.
respondent.
Malafide, are you alleging?
No,
Are
I'm
you
not
s-
into
are you
that, Your
saying,
Lordship.
This has been, the tender has been made to suit somebody.
No, it is for the state respondent to so that they can call the
First,
tender
where
into.
you have to establish your right first, then we'll go to respondent.
Yes, Lordship, I'll come to that later, but let us go to the petition first.
Petition is nothing. That is your case.
Yes,
Why
exactly.
you should go page to page today? That will take a month together.
Lordship, whereas I'm clearly eligible to participate in this tender. And
Agreed.
if your Lordship may say-
Agreed. You are clearly eligible. If it
Yes,
is
yes.
for 3
Exactly,
crores.
Your Lordship.
So what is the basis of your claim?
My basis of claim is that the work should have not been called into a composite one.
That is your,
Yes, exactly,
your
Lordship.
arguments or your statement.
Lordship, exactly.
Basis, I'm asking the basis.
As such, there is no provision that they cannot
Then
call into,
if
but
there's nothing, no.
the action of the state respondent itself is arbitrary and malified, Your Lordship.
That's why precisely I
Yes.
ask you, are you alleging malafide?
Yes, exactly.
Show us.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Show us, please.
Lordship, any action of the state excluding exclusion of the
According
respondent.
to you, the action of the state in not splitting the
Yes,
tender,
Your Lordship, yes.
where you could have been made eligible,
Yes.
is arbitrary.
They are clearly cutting the competition, Your Lordship, by calling the tender into a composite manner.
We don't know.
And not only the petitioner, in other other contractors in this category could have easily participated in the tender. Their only contention, there is contention of the respondent.
By issuing this composite
Yes,
tender,
Lordship.
is there no bidders?
Yes.
No bidders.
Pardon, Your
There's
Lordship.
there's no takers.
No, the work has already been awarded.
Then
Yes. It has already been awarded and the work is in progress.
it's okay.
If may I continue, Your Lordship?
Ah.
Yes. They are clearly cutting the competition and regarding this competition, there has to be a level playing field where equally placed competitors can participate.
Agree. That's why I'm asking.
Yes.
By issuing a tender in a composite
Yes.
manner, has there been is there a lack of or less numbers have been participated?
No, participation it's not in the issue, Lordship.
Issue is what?
No, the
Issue
work
is
has already
splitting
been
and
out.
composite.
Pardon, Your Lordship.
Issue is what?
Issue is that they should not have called this tender into a composite one.
That's what I'm
It
saying.
could have been splitted, and the petitioner as well as the other contractors in this category could have participated. The only reason given by the respondent number 3, after going through their affidavit in opposition, the only reason that they have cited is to produce the world-class facility. Now, strange it may seem, but if the work would have been awarded to any other contractor in this category, they could have easily produced the world-class result. Why only the respondent number 4 and 5, Lordship? That is in the affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 3. And no such reason has been given that why they called this tender into a composite one. And why not split one? That is the contention of the respondent. And as far as regards the level playing field, this doctrine, it says that any action of the state which excludes the
What doctrine?
doctrine of level playing field. Roshi.
Okay.
Yes, it says that any action of the state which excludes any eligible, any equally placed competitors is violation of the fundamental right
Meerut
in Article 19(1).
Meerut Development Authority.
Yes, Lordship. If I may place a judgment, Lordship. With regard to level playing field, Lordship. Page number 21, Lordship. Page number 21, Lordship, para 36. If I may read, Your Lordship.
Page number?
21, Lordship. Para 36. Page number 21, Lordship. If I may read, Lordship.
Yes.
We find merit in this civil appeal. Standards applied by courts in judicial review must be justified by constitutional principles which govern the proper exercise of public power in a democracy. Article 14 of the Constitution embodies the principle of non-discrimination. However, it is not a freestanding provision. It has to be read in conjunction with rights conferred by other articles like Article 21 of the Constitution. The said Article 21 refers to right to life. It includes opportunity. In our view, as held in the latest judgment of the Constitution bench of 9 judges in I.R. Coelho versus State of Tamil Nadu, Article 21-14 are the heart of the chapter on fundamental rights. They cover various aspects of life. Level playing field is an important concept while construing Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution. In this doctrine, which is invoked by so-and-so in the present case, when Article 19(1)(g) confers fundamental right to carry on business to a company, it is entitled to invoke the said doctrine of level playing field. We may clarify that this doctrine is, however, subject to public interest. In the world of globalization, competition is an important factor to be kept in mind. The doctrine of level playing field is an important doctrine which is embodied in Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution. This is because the said doctrine provides space within which equally placed competitors are allowed to bid so as to subserve the large public interest. Globalization, in essence, is liberalization of trade. Today, India has dismantled license raj. The economic reforms introduced after 1992 have brought in the concept of globalization. Decision or acts which results in unequal and discriminatory treatment would violate the doctrine of level playing field embodied in Article 19(1)(g). Time has come, therefore, to say Article 14, which refers to the principle of equality, should not be read as a standalone item, but it should be read in conjunction with Article 21, which embodies several aspects of life. There is one more aspect which needs to be mentioned in the matter of implementation of the aforesaid doctrine of level playing field. According to Lord Goldsmith, commitment to the rule of law is the heart of parliamentary democracy. One of the important elements of the rule of law is legal certainty. Article 14 applies to government policies, and if the policy or the act of the government, even if in contractual matters, fails to satisfy the test of reasonableness, then such an act or decision would be unconstitutional.
There's no quarrel to that.
Your Lordship?
There's no quarrel on it. No quarrel.
That is
But
my submission.
To decide, to accept your submission, you have to show something.
In
where
this
the-
matter,
the authorities are required to split this tender. Just so something.
no,
If you
Your
have, if you don't have,
Lordship, it is on their part to show that they can call the tender in a composite manner, and it should be reasonable, as I have cited again. But there is no reason that they have provided, even in their affidavit in opposition, Lordship. So they are not able to substantiate their contention, Your Lordship. It is clear.
that's why I'm repeatedly asking you,
Yes.
what is the basis of your claim that it should have been splitted?
The
You
petitioner
just cannot
yes.
say that it should have been splitted so as to enable you to participate.
Yes.
That cannot be.
Yeah. The
There
petitioner
must be a basis for your
Lordship.
claim.
Lordship, I am eligible to participate in this tender.
Within 3 crores.
Yes, within 3
They have
crore,
issued,
up to my.
they have
yes.
issued a tender for 21 crores.
Yes.
You are not eligible.
Yes.
Is it the case of level
Yes.
playing field?
Yes.
Is it a case
Yes,
of
it is the level playing field. Yes.
I don't think so.
No, it is, my lord.
You have totally misconstrued.
No. Equally
Level
placed
play-
competitors. Had this work not been called in the composite one, Your Lordship, then
level-
I could have easily participated in this tender. But by calling it into a composite one, they have clearly cut the competition. Now I cannot participate. That is the grievance.
Since you are emphasizing and harping on the level playing field doctrine,
Yes.
I'll give you one judgment.
Yes.
Merit Development Authority.
Yes.
And you read that and we'll take up it on 28.
Uh,
And try to find out that the basis of your claim.
Lordship,
There must be something,
Lordship.
though you have not pleaded.
30.
30,
Yes.
30. Friday.
Fridays.
Since there's no, since, huh?
I'm for respondent number 3, Your
Ah.
Lordship. So if 19th or 8th of December may be good.
Lordship, there is no point in
Otherwise, my lord,
dragging this matter any further because the work is already in progress. Either Lordship may dismiss this matter or dispose it of. It's up to Lordship.
No, if you don't want to, I mean, continue clear with your concept
Yes.
of doctrine of
Level
playing
yes.
field. Will I have heard you. I'll hear them and we'll dispose
Then
it.
Lordship may kindly dispose it of today.
Okay. That's all. You don't
Yeah,
have to.
that's
You are
all, my
only
lord.
saying that there's no basis of your claim that is.
No, I did not say that. I don't have any basis, Your Lordship.
So you show me the basis.
Okay, then Lord, as Lordship may please.
Ah.
That is my submission, Lord.
Oh, okay. Why you have not splitted?
Your Lordship, it was
What is the reason for having a composite NIT?
Your Lordship, may come to our counter affidavit. Para 5.5.
Where it is?
That is in response to their
Counter affidavit.
yes, sir.
On behalf
Response
of?
to their petition, paragraph 5 of their writ petition.
What? Just wait. What is your this additional affidavit?
Lordship? No, I don't have any additional
Who
affidavit.
has filed this additional affidavit?
Respondent number 3.
Saying what? Let's come. The affidavit. Yeah. Which one? It is affidavit. Respondent number 2 or 3?
3.
I know. Where's the affidavit of respondent number 3? Where is the affidavit of respondent number 3? It's not here. Should be here. Yes. It's here. Yeah, तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है? You don't know what affidavit कहाँ रहता है कहाँ नहीं रहता है? That is what I'm saying. Yes.
Lordship, the decision for clubbing various works for the 2 tenders, that is package A and package B, was made after thorough discussions and meetings by the board of directors, Your Lordship. And the proposal for floating the various works in one composite tender on EPC mode was made on the 20th meeting of the board of directors of the PSC DCL held on 1st of June 2023. The same was thereafter accorded approval of the government of Arunachal Pradesh. And it is also important to mention that it was made after considering various technical and financial aspects by a set of experts and was not made maliciously to restrain any category of contractors from participating. And the same, the minutes of the meeting are annexure 4. And the specific
Page.
page 150, Your Lordship. Page 150, 150.
150.
Yes. Under point 9.
One 150.
Yes, 150.
Ha.
Any other items, then it comes to number 3. Proposal for floating of composite works tender on EPC mode. The CEO informed the board that during the review meeting on smart city projects with Honorable Chief Minister Arunachal Pradesh held on 19 May 2023, few projects were enlisted and prioritized based on need for upgradation of health, social and transport and communication infrastructure in the greater interest of the public of Pasighar. The list of projects includes recreation center, indoor game set, integrated rehabilitation center for substance abuse, vending zone at Sabzi Mandi near IG, so footpath and cycle track, district library and children e-learning center, junction beautification, APSC bus depot, internal roads, retrofitting of BPGH and urban PHC, procurement of ambulance and other utilities and equipment, retrofitting of roads other than smart roads and digital and non-digital roads, signage. The CEO further informed that the completion of all formalities with regard to the enlisted projects, including floating of tender and its successful execution, was exigent on account of the deadline set by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, for completion of all smart cities projects. After deliberation on the issue, following resolution was passed. The resolution comes after that.
This resolution.
Yes, yes.
Based on what? Do you have what is the guideline?
You know, is
there any guidelines, provisions in the guidelines where you can take this decision?
You know, it's a independent PSU.
Smart city.
Yes, sir. Your guidelines are the smart city mission guidelines, but the main purpose, one of the main purpose, that one
So
of the
for the
primary reasons-
execution of the project.
Yes.
Is there any provision in the guideline?
Not as such.
That the corporation, how manner and method of execution?
You know, the main purpose of the creation of an SPV for the smart city mission was to ensure operational independence and autonomy in decision making and mission implementation. So to get the results in a time bound manner. And you know, the flotation of all the tenders were to be done before this.
Can you show me that any guidelines that the work can be splitted and a tender can be issued in a composite? Anything on that?
No, yes, I think it has not been there as of now.
So on the basis of your minutes of the meeting, your
Yes.
resolution only you have issued that?
Yes, because we had to, you know, like.
Because it's a corporation.
Yes.
You have a power and authority to decide whatever you like.
Not exactly, Your Lordship, because like I stated By December 2021, it had to be completed, Your Honor, the floating of the tenders.
So that is the reason you have issued a composite tender?
It's one of the reasons.
What are the other reasons?
Your Lordship, the main purpose was to finish the work in a time-bound manner, and
It's all right there. But then, more than that, this court wants to know the reason. It could have been splitted also. Or are you sure that if composite tender is issued, it will be within the time? It will be completed within the time.
like the participants will be
less,
not less, Your Lordship, but then the efficiency of the participant, we believe, because it's a higher amount.
I don't think so. If that is the reason, not convinced. It's the only reason.
No, Your Lordship.
Huh?
There will be.
So us. You are saying it's a corporation as per the resolution. Since it is a corporation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We can take whatever decision.
Your Lordship, in that resolution, when it was taken, the members, can you see, they were all experts of their fields, Lordship. And accordingly, they have taken the decision. In that Annexure 4 itself, Your Lordship, the people present in the meetings should be named.
That's all.
That's all.
Not convinced.
Your Lordship, date may be given out of this.
What? No, I'm disposed.
Well, it can be disposed of, my lord. I'm appearing for the respondent number 4, my lord. I am the successful bidder.
Yes.
My lord,
Your affidavit?
I have also filed my affidavit, my lord.
Respondent number 4 is
the beneficiary, my lord.
Okay.
I'm executing the work.
You have been awarded the work.
Yes, my lord. I'm the package B, my lord.
Obviously, you have nothing to do, nothing to say.
Nothing of no, my lord. I also have to make certain submissions.
Yes.
My lord, first of all, my lord, the writ petitioner, my lord, when he claims that he has a right to participate within that, and his limit is up to 3 crores, my lord. He derives that right from the Arunachal Pradesh District-Based Entrepreneurship, my lord, 2015, man. That is where the schedule has been given that which contractor is eligible to bid for up to what amount, man. That is where. But here is a case, my lord. First of all, the petitioner has to show that that act is applicable to the smart city also, my lord. Because as per the act, my lord, I have annexed, my lord, it is applicable to the agencies and departments of the state, my lord. All the states, and specifically the names of departments have also been mentioned, my lord. And I have also annexed the incorporation certificate of the respondent number 3, my lord. This is a special purpose vehicle, my lord. It is incorporated under the Companies Act, my lord. So it is a legal entity by itself, man. And it's not an agency of the state, man. Nor is it a department of the state, man.
Corporation.
Yes, man. That if you also would see at page 23 of my affidavit, my lord. Annexure 3, my lord. This is a certificate of incorporation, my lord. This is
your annexure, page
23, my lord. Annexure 3, my lord.
No, your annexure starts from page 25. Articles of
I'm 4, my lord. Annexure, I'm 4, my lord. Respondent 4, my lord.
Huh. 20.
23.
Page 23, my lord. Annex 3, my lord. I have annexed the certificate of incorporation, my lord, of
Yes.
the. This is, my lord, I hereby certificate of incorporation pursuant to subsection 2 of section 7 of the Companies Act 2013 and Rule 18 of the Companies Incorporation Rules 2014. I hereby certify that the Pasighat Smart City Development Corporation Limited is incorporated on this so and so, so and so. And if your lordship would come to the act, my lord, at page 18, my lord, and page 18, annex 2, my lord, and type copy is at page 20, my lord.
Yes.
See, if your lordship would come to section 3, my lord, applicability of the rules, my lord. This is applicable to the agencies and departments under the government of Arunachal Pradesh, my lord. Now, when the petitioner says he's entitled to participate under the up to rupees 3 crores, my lord, that he derives this right, his right to participate basing on this act, my lord, act and the rules, my lord. Now, first of all, he has to show that this is
No,
applicable
it says etc. is there.
etc. Yes, my lord. But if you also would see, my lord, it's first
all
line.
notes undertaking various agencies, departments under the government.
Yes, my lord.
department,
If
including
you
the
also
works.
would see, these
It
rules
includes
shall
it.
be mandatorily applied to all works undertaken by various agencies, department under the government of Arunachal Pradesh, including so and so, my lord. So that is why the etc. is there, my lord. The reading of the whole paragraph, my lord, to my understanding, my lord.
So it's not a government corporation.
My lord, that I have annexed, my lord, this.
It's not a government corporation.
Yes, it is a entity by itself, my lord. It's not a department of the government, my lord. This, my lord, knows, my lord, this special, this smart mission city was in launched, my lord, to develop 100 cities, my lord, across this
Probably
country.
that's why he is not harping on that. He's saying that it should have been
Yes, my lord. So until
splitted.
My lord, then if he
He's
does
not
not
pressing this, that
My-
it's as per this.
my lord, this is why, my lord.
So
If he
according
does
to
not,
you, this act will not apply.
my lord,
It has
that
no
is my
application.
understanding. That is my understanding. And so if he does not rely on this, if he is not relying on this act, my lord, then where does he claim, how does he claim that he has the right to participate up to 3 crores, my lord? First of all, he has to show that this is applicable, my lord. That is
Okay.
basically my, and one thing, my lord, that if your lordship would come to the affidavit of the response number 3, my lord, just I will take your lordship to 2 pages, my lord.
So act is not applicable since it's a separate entity.
Yes, separate entity.
Therefore, he has no basis for.
Yes. So he has no basis to say that he
Say
has
that
the right
he
to
is
tender.
even
entitled
if it is splitted.
My lord.
Either splitted, not splitted.
Splitted or not splitted, that is another issue, my lord. But how does he claim that he has a right to participate up to 3 crores, my lord?
Okay.
That is one. If lordship will come to page 114, my lord, of the affidavit filed by response number 3, my lord.
114.
114, my lord. This is, my lord, regarding the.
Who is 3?
3 is the Pasighat Smart City Development Corporation.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. This smart city, my lord, mission, how it is to be implemented, my lord. At 10, my lord, implementation by special 10.1, my lord. The implementation of the mission at the city level will be done by special purpose vehicle, SPV, created for the purpose, my lord. For that it has to be incorporated, and that is how that smart city special purpose vehicle under that that annexed the types on incorporation has been done. And if you also would come to page 140, 140, my lord, of the same affidavit, my lord.
So this.
Well, this I have pointed out to show that it has to be implemented through the SPV, my lord. And SPV was registered under the Companies Act, my lord. That is my annexer.
That is corporation.
Yes, corporation. My lord.
Okay.
And my lord would say key functions and responsibilities, my lord. At 140, 140, my lord, of the same affidavit.
140?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
number 5, my lord. The key function and responsibilities of the SPV are to serial number 1. So one is approve and sanction the projects, including their technical appraisal. And second is, my lord, this. my lord,
This provision is called what?
my lord.
It's a guideline or something?
Yes, guidelines, my lord.
Guidelines for what? Smart
Right.
city,
Yes, my lord.
mission statement.
Smart cities mission, yes, my lord.
Mission statement guidelines.
Yes, my lord. It starts at page 104, my lord.
Mhm.
So, my lord will see, my lord, approve and sanction the projects, including their technical appraisal. And serial number 2 is execute the smart city proposal with complete operation freedom, my lord. So it is within their domain, man. So how to execute the work, man. And as of now, my lord, this morning I took instruction and I've been instructed that the works at page 48 of the writ petition, there are 8 works, my lord. Out of these, 4 works are 100% completed, man. 2 works are more than 50%, and 2 works are the signages and on digital and non-digital signages. This is around 25%.
So
and
it will be a mere.
this is mere academical discussion only, man. And the financial progress is around 76%. The physical progress is almost 80%.
Suppose if we hold that it should have ought to have been splitted, what remains?
Yes.
Let us agree is ought to have been splitted. So as to enable you to participate.
Yes, that is
Maybe
true.
eligible.
Public
But
interest will be affected.
because of this status,
Yes.
there's nothing.
If I may, any further submissions? Lordship, kindly come to page number 150 of the affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 3.
150.
150, page number 150. That is minutes of meeting on board of directors.
Yes.
Clause 3, second para. Resolved that board of directors conveyed approval for floating of tender on EPC mode by clubbing the enlisted projects in order to form a composite works to achieve quality work and for faster execution of work. Only to achieve quality work and for further execution of work. No substantial reason. And our Lordship may come to page number 20 of the same petition.
20?
Page number 20 of the same petition. The affidavit in opposition.
By 3.
Respondent number 3, yes, yes.
Page?
Number 20.
20.
20, Lordship.
But Mr. What's use of having this academic kind of thing? I'm not interested. Because I thought it's urgency is there, so we'll dispose it of.
Yes, Lordship may kindly dispose of it.
Huh?
Lordship may kindly dispose it of them.
For the heck of disposing.
Yes.
Work is almost.
Yes, there is no point in
almost
continuing this matter any further.
Then you withdraw.
Yes, Lordship.
You withdraw the petition.
No, Lordship. Lordship may kindly either dismiss it or dispose it of in my favor and record my submission.
How long you been in practice?
Your Lordship, it's 2.5.
That's why I heard it. That is the reason I've heard it. Okay, if you insist, we'll dispose it.
Lordship.
I'll not say before disposal. I'll not make it CAB. You'll get in there. I'll not say dismiss or allowed. We'll pass the order. We'll dispose it. All right. Anything you want to ask?
No, Lordship.
Anything more?
No.
But read the doctrine properly
Lordship.
once again.
Lordship.
Not the reference.
Lordship.
The basic, what is the doctrine itself.
Lordship.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Item number 12.
Lordship, need some time to file affidavit, your lordship.
Affidavit.
Yes, your lordship.
Sir, can I check on this matter? Long, you must be knowing.
Yes.
It's long time back,
Long time back you have, lordship.
is not it? But
Doesn't look
my
nice.
learned, suppose if I allow,
My lord.
they may have some. It's all those matters
Yeah.
connected,
Yeah.
300, 400 crores. In that case, I don't think I'll be. You tell us. You must be knowing.
Yes, my lord.
I cannot.
Yes.
Now, in that case,
His yesterday's instruction is that he tried to inquire from the office that whether
May
this.
not be listed in this board.
no, if it is sure, I also have vaguely remember. Not only one matter, all connected, even after before joined the government also. I appeared for, I think, in some connected matters, even in Guwahati.
That we will not.
I doubt. So,
Lordship would like
this
to fix any date,
matter,
any
if I cannot take up,
Date
just, I cannot pass any note. List this matter before any other appropriate place without me.
Lordship may only say that we'll approach my submission that will approach the registry for listing so that we can pray for listing on a particular date.
Parties may approach the registry for
Yes.
appropriate steps.
That will sound. All right.
Finish.
My lord,
What's to be done?
my lord,
2015 matter.
yes, your lordship. On the last occasion, your lordship, direction was given to take fresh steps on respondent number 15, your lordship, who was implemented newly, your lordship. But however, due to
You have not taken a step.
no, your lordship, we could not ascertain the correct address of the respondent number 15, your
So
lordship.
you need some time.
Yes, your lordship.
MSD Tamil Learned Council for the petitioner. Submits that she could not. Take the steps for service upon respondent number 15
Yes, your lordship.
is the address you could not find it.
Yes, your lord. Correct address. We
Yes,
had
he could
already
not-
taken once, but
Find it correct address of the respondent 15. She submits that. She may be granted another opportunity to take steps by ascertaining the correct address of the respondent. Praise allowed. List after 3 weeks. No, praise allowed. The MSD Tamil Learned Council to the petitioner is permitted to take steps. For respondent number, service of steps for service of respondent number 5
15, your lordship.
by ascertaining the correct address within 1 week. List after 3 weeks. It's a 2015 matter. What's there?
On the last occasion, and I was filed, your lordship, for implementing new 3 respondents, your lordship.
You are appearing? For
On behalf of Tourism Department, on behalf of NPADA.
Mr. So and so appearing on behalf of NPADA for Eastern Council for Tourism Department.
All right.
What's to be done? You have not taken steps.
Your lordship's service report is already taken, but
No, it shows office. No, when did you take? Yesterday?
1 week, before 1 week, your lordships. But due to improper address or invalid address, your lordships, we can't trace the locations.
MS
So-
so and so Learned Council for the
So your
petitioner submits that she may be granted further time to take the trace steps as she could not obtain the as she could not ascertain the proper address. please stop.
Yes, your lordships kindly direct us substitute service or any instructions to reach
You
the
find out,
respondent
you
number
try,
2.
this time you try to find out the correct address.
Okay, your lordship.
She is permitted to take fresh steps for respondent number 2 by ascertaining the correct address within 1 week. You mark the presence of Vairira, huh? Land Council, State Council.
Ma'am, alone. We wait to, yet to receive affidavit money. In this matter.
My lord, I'm for the respondent number 2.
Yes.
Counter affidavit has to be filed, so I need some time. I'm appearing on behalf of Tapi Omo.
No, you are for respondent number 2.
Respondent
You want
number
to,
2.
you want sometime to file affidavit?
Yes.
Mr.
T. Kamchi.
T. Kamchi, learned counsel for the president. Who is for respondent number 1?
I am for respondent number 3.
Why Ram for respondent, Eastern Council for learned Eastern Council for respondent number 1? You are for?
I am for respondent number 3, IMC.
MS is for respondent number 2. Mr. So for respondent number 3. Learned council. MS so learned council for respondent number 3. 2.
2.
6 for further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in office. Praise
Sure.
God. List of 3 weeks. Office note dated MS so learned her MS learned MS so learned council for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Office note dated 22/11/23. Reflects that service report in respect of respondent number 1 to 4 are still awaited. Service reports, huh? List after 3 weeks.
Nice.